Hi, welcome to Weekender ADV. I'm Justin, and this is the 1987 250 XR project bike. Last time we were out, it wasn't running so hot, so take the carburetor off, clean it up, and rejet it if need be. So I found a bunch of information on the jetting and other information on these bikes at rickramsey.net. I'll put a link down in the description. I'm not affiliated with them or anything, it's just a resource that I used and I'll share it with you. So I ordered a gasket kit and some jets from Partzilla. I don't know, it's just where I found some Honda OEM parts. It fit great. So there was a 120 main jet in here. It takes a 125 stock. We're not too high here in Tucson and it's a little bit cooler now being December. So let's put the stock size in. There was a 120 in here. Also, they have like a 122 or something. So when it heats up or go to higher elevation, we'll just go down a size maybe. Clean this guy up. Let's get it back on. All right, so one of the deals is this petcock is 5/16. I'm not sure if this is a replacement or what have you. And then we got a 1/4-inch line here. So went to the auto parts store and I got some line, little coupler. So we'll feel that out as we go on where to cut it and everything. Let's stick this bad boy up on the bike. Alrighty, it's back together. No leaky. Alright, so I may have missed the first startup video. Battery's running low. I don't know if it cut out or if I didn't click the button, but we'll see. I was getting a little lean bog when I hit it real hard. If I covered up some of the air intake, it was running good, so I put the seat back on and the airbox side cover. Let's take a rip down the street. Feels a little windy, but whatever. Hell yeah. Runs so much stronger than before. All right, everyone, thanks for sticking with me. Got a few more things to do on here. Oil change, clean her up clean, but it's running so much better right now. Jetting, very important. All right, guys, till next time, be safe and have fun riding.